Yo, what's cracking, guys? It's Crown, and in this tutorial I'll be showing y'all how to make a Pluggnb type beat. Let's get to it. So I started with a preset from Synology called JVE Piano, and on the key of E sharp minor I made this progression. So I copied and pasted the same progression on another presets in Synology called Softpad 1. Now let's move to the third sound, which is the sine lid. For the fourth sound, it's still Synology on a preset called axkoto. So the fifth sound is still Synology on a metal key preset. Strummed it a little bit and it sounded like this. Sixth sound is still Synology on a preset called Lurking Bass. It's a synth bass, and you can also try it if you like. And for the ambience, I chose a preset from Expand. It's called Applauding Rain Pitch, and it sounds like this. Playing all together, it sounds like this. So let's move down to the drums. And for the kick, it's just simple, same. For this, I used two 808s. It's very simple. And for the second 808s, it sounds like this. So I use the Spins 808s. full beat sounds dope. You can preview it. So I forgot to show y'all the second lead I played for the verses. So there's no repetition throughout the whole beat, and it shouldn't sound boring. So that's all for this tutorial, and please hit the subscribe button and the like button. I'll be dropping more videos. Appreciate you. See y'all later in the flip side.